One of the common issues we've heard from universities is that they're still tied to spreadsheets for certain operations. Even though they have a system for HR and payroll and different platforms to collect all of this information, a lot of times they don't have all of the data, and so they're not able to save yet because of required fields. Or maybe only one person has access to that system. And so you have to collect requests from multiple people, and then one person enters the data. So as much as they'd like to get away from spreadsheets, there are still certain jobs where they need it. So let's see how we can solve this with Appsmith. All right, here I have a spreadsheet of hiring requests. These are submitted by different departments, and there's a different salary amount. There are different funding sources. So a lot of different criteria here, different rules for each budget. So what's the total salary for staff? All right, so it says it's found 4 records, which looks right here, and it's got all the right numbers there. It's able to total it up, and it's filtering data. So it can pull certain rows and then give you summary data, and it can also send information to another system. So let's look at the ones that are pending over here. All right, so it's found 3 that are in pending. And let's submit the first one. That's 001 to Workday. All right, you can see it's just ran that action to create a student in Workday. And so we've added a new record over here. And next we can send an email to let a coworker know this is complete. So draft an email to Jamie. Let him know this is complete. All right, so it's ran that action to create a draft email. And if we look over here in my drafts, here I have an email started to Jamie for that position, HR001, and it looks good, but there was one thing I forgot to add. So let me tell him the other ones that are pending. Okay, so we just submitted number 1. Just going to let him know these are the others. By the way, here are the remaining requests. All right, so that looks good. It's able to pull information from the spreadsheet, whether you're viewing it or you're in your mail. You could be in Salesforce or Workday or any other platform and draw information from the spreadsheet, use it to fill out data in other platforms. So this is a great way to bridge that data from multiple systems and make it easier to do data entry and retrieval.